Alright guys, so now it comes down to the last piece, which is FR checking, okay, also known as campus, FR campus. Alright, so when you get your username and login password, you will come into this and you will hit My Company tab, and then you will scroll down to Performance. Once you hit Performance, then you come into Manage Metrics. Alright, then you go to New Metrics. And since last week was a short week, I didn't do one, so I'm going to do my last week's new metrics. Alright, so I'm going to do my last week's new metrics. In order for this to happen, I need my closeout still. So last week's new metric was 0010. So I come back to FR, so 0010. Save. Now that's saved. So now I got to do this week's metrics. So now I come into from 3 to actually 8, but it's supposed to be to 7. But from 3 to 9. But I can't do it because it's the 8th. So I gotta click the 8th, and then I'll need this week. So I'll go 14 3 3 0. So 14 3 3 0. Save. And there you guys go. That's how you check into FR. And once you've done that, you can close that out. And that's it, folks. That is exactly how you check into FR.